one thing outside of this work that brings me joy and fulfillment is spending quality time with my family and creating memories with my children. Princess Diana is definitely one of the most retiring female figures. What I love most about Princess Diana is that oftentimes she is violating royal tradition just to connect with people on a personal level. One stereotype in the workplace that I'd like to break is the idea that women are too emotional and overly sensitive to handle leadership roles. Here's to honoring the wisdom, strength, and achievements of women everywhere. Happy Women's Month!